Hello and welcome back to another EBS video. Subscribe now and don't miss the next one. Today we are going to cover the differences between UHS-I and UHS-II. UHS-II memory cards have been around for some time now, but they have recently gained popularity among photographers because of their speed, reliability, and quality. UHS stands for ultra high speed, and it refers to the type of bus interface that determines the bus speed. You see that row of pins or metal strips on the back of your SD card? That's the interface that your card uses to communicate with your camera or computer. UHS-I uses one row of pins, whereas UHS-II upgrades to 2 rows of pins to increase the bus speed significantly. That's the physical difference. The advantage of UHS-II cards is their speed. For example, using a UHS-I card will average you around 190 megabytes per second, peaking at around 200 megabytes per second. But UHS-II cards start at 300 megabytes per second. That's a 50% increase. This offers a huge advantage to photographers when shooting in burst mode or taking rapid-fire high-resolution photos. And videographers can find that certain functions on their camera become unlocked, like higher bit rates and frame rates. When using a UHS-II card in post-production, emptying a full 256 gigabyte card of photos and videos will take 7 minutes less on your media dump than a UHS-I card. For large amounts of high-quality footage and photos, this speed is critical in maximizing your reliability in the field and production time back at home. A unique feature about UHS-II cards is that some video cameras require UHS-II in order to film in the maximum resolution and bitrate. Check your camera guide to see if you are missing out on UHS-II locked features. You might be wondering if you can use a UHS-I card in a UHS-II slot, or vice versa. You may still use UHS-I cards in UHS-II compatible cameras, since the slots are backwards compatible. However, you won't receive the benefits like a UHS-II card will offer. Likewise, you can use UHS-II cards in a UHS-I port, but your camera will be limited to the UHS-I specs. The slowest link is the speed you will end up with. You may be wondering if your camera is compatible with a UHS-II memory card. We have a well-written article on our website about UHS-I versus UHS-II that also has a list of all the major cameras that are UHS-II compatible. Check that list and see if your camera is UHS-I or UHS-II. This list gets updated when new cameras are released, so continue to check it. To wrap up here, UHS-II memory cards are a great investment for photographers and videographers who require high speed and reliability when capturing and transferring large amounts of data. If you're interested in purchasing UHS-II memory cards, visit our website, bulkmemorycards.com, for SD and micro SD cards in both UHS-I and UHS-II. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when the next video comes out. If this video was beneficial to you, share it with someone else. Thanks for watching.